Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bennet Mystic 15.6-inch laptop shoulder bag. Actually, this is an unpacking of this said bag. As you can see, it's covered in this plastic wrapper. I'm going to remove this wrapper first and give you a closer look of the bag itself. So this is what the bag looks like. You will notice that this has a cloth surface, but it's also waterproof. This is a side strap backpack, a side bag basically, not a backpack. The straps should be inside. But first let's take a look outside. There are two pouches. This is the first zip pouch. There are a lot of smaller pockets and space over here as well. I will obviously give you a look. And this is the larger pouch. This is where you hold the laptop. There you go. This is the laptop sleeve. This is a laptop sleeve for a 15.6-inch laptop. And this is the strap, of course. And there is also space over here to put your charger and other stuff as well. I'll show that to you. And this is the carry strap that comes with this particular bag. I'm just going to attach this carry strap to the bag first. I'll just do that. There you go. It's in now. Now I'll put a laptop in here. I have a laptop here with me. This is a 15.6-inch laptop, so it should fit absolutely fine. There you go. It's just very snug fit right now. And okay, I put it in wrong. I'll do this again. So it has to go in like so, where this particular strap is. There you go. Once again, perfectly snug fit. I'll close the strap, and there's a space. There's a lot of space over here to put the charger in, so I will do that as well. I'll put the charging brick in first so that you can see how much space it actually takes. So this is the charging brick. I can put it in here. There you go. The charging brick is in. Now the charging cable. The charging cable goes in over here. Still a lot of space, but we'll come back to it. But first, let's take a look at the second pouch. The second pouch is good for storing stationery and the likes. So suppose I have a notebook, I can put it over here. There's space for some, stationery, other stationery stuff like pens and markers, etc. So I can put them over here as well. And there's another pouch over here. So if you suppose you have identification, so you can carry your identification here, or you can even hold a smartphone here if you want to. There you go. Once again, a lot of space over here as well. So I have this USB-C type charger for my smartphone, so I can put that over here. And not just that, as I mentioned earlier, this pouch, the first pouch, has a little bit space over here as well. So I have this foldable headphone with me. There you go. I can put this one over here as well and close it up. There you go. Now it's ready to be carried around, and it fits almost everything perfectly. This is it. This is what you find inside the bag containing the Bennet Mystic 15.6-inch laptop shoulder bag. Thank you for watching.